Welcome back, guys. This is Manoj again, and in this session, we will discuss about React Memo. As we have already seen that pure component only works in class components, not for the functional components. So for the functional component, React Memo fulfills the need. Let's take an example of React Memo and it's working. So in the components folder, let's create a new file and give it a name memo comp.js, and let's create a functional component. So import react from react and const memo comp return h1 name, and we will take this name from props. So props dot name, and simply export default memo comp, and also pass this props here at the component level. So this is our traditional React functional component. So go back to pure component demo. So this is our existing component which we used for pure component in class components. All right. So here first import our functional component. So import memo comp and simply comment this and use memo comp, and now we have to pass the prop which is name, and in this class component name is coming from this dot state dot name. Save it, and let's reduce this interval as 2 seconds. Go back to browser. So our functional component has been rendered. Let's open the console. You see, this is a memo component. Because this is a normal component, we haven't used any memo method, so it is being rendered over and over. All right, now go back to memo.component. So here simply use, or let me comment this out. Now export default react.memo. So this is a method, and here we have to pass our component name, which is memo comp. Save. Now go back to browser. Let's refresh this. So on the initial load, you see we have a pure component method, then we have a memo component. After that, you will never see this memo component because it is checking the internal state and props. And if you see the parent component, the state is same over and over. So it is restricting the component to re-render. All right. So this is how we can achieve our pure component concept in functional component using React Memo. All right. So that's all about React Memo, and I'll stop here. I hope this is quite clear to all of you. So now we'll move on to refs in the next session. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.